And good afternoon from the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center. We should see more in the way of sunshine as the afternoon wears on. Temperatures, even with the cloud cover that's been out there, have been above normal throughout the entire day. Look for a high of 71 here late this afternoon into the early evening hours. Tomorrow's the best day of the week. Sunshine from start to finish, starting off on the cool side in the 40s, but warming up to a high of 74 degrees in the afternoon. Even tomorrow evening, temperatures will be in the 60s. Rain returns to the forecast on Wednesday. We're not looking at any widespread rain, and it all should be very light, and it'll be closest to where the warm front sets up. And right now, that looks like it'll be across the northern portion of central Indiana. More showers in the forecast Thursday as the cold front comes through. Once that front comes through, you'll notice temperatures will be cooler, around 64 degrees Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. While that's cooler than it has been, it's actually seasonable for this time of year.